Crypto slang is crazy. It's a brave new world, and I'm gonna help you clear the fog. I'm Tyler Kroll. This is Brass Tacks Living, a channel dedicated to simplifying the complex so you can take action and enrich your life. Stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to get a free guide to altcoins. Today's word of the day is DCA, or dollar cost averaging. It's an investment strategy where you divide up your desired position into several different entry points. Entries can happen at regular intervals, generally for the same amount, and a lot of times these entries happen as price is falling or after a price fall has already occurred. Let's say you want to invest $100 into this great new crypto project you found. You haven't seen our video on how to trade your next altcoin gem, so you just go all in at 10 bucks. Well, as the project matures, price falls to $1 and you're sitting on a loss of 90 bucks. Now that you've learned about dollar cost averaging, let's say you buy $20 at 10, $20 at 7, $20 at 5, 20 at 3, and finally 20 at 1. You're buying as price falls. Your average buy point now is $5.20. You have 35 tokens instead of only 10 tokens if you went all in. And your break-even price goes all the way down to $2.80 as opposed to $10. That's a meaningful difference. And given how risky crypto is, dollar cost averaging is a great tool to have in your toolbox. And in the world of crypto, with so many pump and dump operations, dollar cost averaging can really help to manage your risk by reducing the impact volatility has on your entry point. It saves you time because you're not trying to perfect your entry, and it helps minimize the impact of greed and fear on your investment decisions. Dollar cost averaging is a smart way to reduce your cost basis, and it allows you more opportunity to gain information as projects mature. It's a smart investment strategy, especially in crypto. I mentioned at the beginning a free guide to finding and evaluating altcoins. We put together a comprehensive tool to help you find and evaluate your next altcoin gem. You can find that on our website. The link is below and in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know what other jargon you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.